Hey, what's going on once again, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. All right, now what we're gonna do is get in to this platform called textbot.ai. It's a quick review. All right, and I'm gonna show you how exactly you can make unlimited payments of $100 to your Cash App. Now, what textbot.ai is, it's um, a new AI software that allows you to make unlimited $100 payments by sending automated text messages. All right, now this is not just for make money online. This could be if you have a health store or any other niche for that matter that works. Okay. All right, now I'm just gonna go over some different tools that it has. All right, in the back office. All right, it has an active Facebook group that you could join. All right, we'll go back here. They have different resources. All right, they have promo videos, which I've have used and generated opt-ins with those. Okay, so these are the different promo videos you could download. Okay, now if you want to do a solo ad, okay, you can do that as well too. They do have some solo ad copy, and this is what you'll get, which is pretty extensive and informative, and to let your email subscribers know about the company. Right, you also have social media ad posts as well. All right, now let's go down here. Let's see. All right, now they do have another thing you can promote that they just added called leverage line. Okay, now with this one you could actually get up to $200 per sale, which I do recommend also joining if you have the funds. Okay, now if you're having any issues promoting this, there is several ways you can promote this. You could promote this for free on a website called WebTalk. I just discovered this. All right, now I'll show you an example of what I've been doing. So you're just gonna go. I'm just gonna go on my timeline real quick and show you. You can go here. We can go on the news feed, and bam, there's the video I posted a few days ago, and someone's already liked it, and that means that they're interested in it and they have viewed the video. All right, another video I posted here. All right, another way you could promote it is through Leads Leap, which is a as platform. This is completely free to join, and I did get some leads through just posting ads. Okay, so you could go here and post a couple ads. Oops, hold on, let me go back here. And I'll show you how to do that. You just go here for, let's see, post that. So for free members, like I said, you don't have to pay, which I do recommend upgrading to the pro version. But you could just add your textbot AI website here. Just get a title, all right, and then upload an image. Okay, so it's not that hard to do. And then, so what I did was I became a pro member, added a couple of sites, and I had over 2,000 visits and a couple of opt-ins to my sites. All right, now this is the one I did for TextBot, and this is my results so far. I am getting a lot of traffic on this one. All right, and different opt-ins and signups. Okay, so also you could go to Craigslist you could post without making ads. there's people that are always actively looking for jobs. You could go on Craigslist and just type in resumes, and you could respond to people looking for jobs that way. And then you could send the ad copy that way, or you could make up your own, letting them know about textbot AI. All right. Also, I want to show you how to set up the Cash app in your profile. So we're gonna go to my icon, my profile. Okay, and then pay. So this is my my profile picture of me, my contact info. Then you just go to payment methods and then Cash App. Okay, and then create your Cash App and put your Cash App info. All right. Now, if you're interested in joining the program, just click the link below or dial the number below in the description. Thank you for being on my profile, or thank you for being in my video. Have a good one.